My name is Zach. I work at MVP Marine with my boss, Chris. I've been here for about 3 years, and we're based out of Newport, New Hampshire.
Been owner of this place for 20 plus years now. So we've been wrapping. I personally been wrapping for over 20 years. Mostly we wrap personal boats, watercraft as far as bow riders, pontoon boats, such like that, in the 25-foot and under range.
The first time we used it was actually at the demo day at the Silver Sands Marina. I thought it was really cool. It seemed to be very durable and forgiving with the heat. It could reheat multiple times in the same areas and it wouldn't blow holes on it. Super easy. The weldability was really good. Didn't see real need for a bunch of taping, which was really nice. Nothing in particular stuck out bad at all, really. The other thing I thought was really cool was the center line down the center of the wrap, which was really neat, I thought.
I think it was positive. It was a very positive demonstration that they put on, and being able to hands-on training with it. The material seemed to be up to snuff. Really, maybe even felt thicker and more rigid, which for the same mill product is a great thing. You know, it just holds up better. Longevity is a good thing, and durability.
As far as the throwing the wrap over, it seemed more or less the same amount of time wise. Unraveling it looked like it was a little easier than the traditional blue stuff we use, which was pretty nice. And just the shrinkability and the weldability of it was incredible. Just saving time getting stuff to stick together and not having to worry about taping seams all over the place. It was pretty eye-opening and impressive to me. Yeah, we didn't use any tape on that during the demo day at all. I honestly didn't think it was really needed, except for maybe a couple tricky spots here and there where we may have missed heat. But besides that, it stuck really, really well. I couldn't barely even pull it apart if I tried. A lot more forgiving. It's a lot easier to use, especially when you're training new people on how to wrap boats. They like to put the heat to it a little too much in spots sometimes, and it'll give them a better understanding and help them learn better, so they're not worried about blowing holes through it and ruining the boats and whatnot you can have with that sort of thing. But I also thought it was a little easier to see where you're heating too, and kind of tell where the heat was going a lot easier than the blue, which was nice. I like the color. It's not as stand out. It's more mellow kind of color, not like in your face. And just the fact that it biodegrades in the landfill in a couple of years is huge, especially around where we are, where a lot of places aren't starting to take the traditional shrink wrap through the dumps anymore, which is starting to set people back. But this is a great alternative.